Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new, my name is Harmony. As you can tell by the title of today's video, it's going to be a curly hair routine using only one brand. The brand that I chose to do is Bounce Curl. If you guys don't know what Bounce Curl is and you have curly hair, then you need to get on, and I'm about to put you on. So Bounce Curl is a brand that is created by a girl. Her name is Miss Mo. I think that's her name. I will put her Instagram right here so you guys can see and follow her, check her out. She has the most beautiful curly hair, and I believe she used to be a chem major, and she decided to take her science major and create curly hair products. So I think it's so cool. I love supporting people who have their own brand, and I've been following this brand for like 4 years at this point, and I love it, and I love all the products. And when I first started using Bounce Curl, they only had the light cream gel, which is like what their #1 seller is. And so over the last few years, she's created more products and shampoos, conditioners, all that stuff. So I have everything, and I decided to show you guys my full curly hair routine using these products. So this video is going to be kind of different. I'm going to be like talking to you guys about the products, and then as I'm talking about that product, I'm going to insert a clip of me using it so you guys can kind of see the products in action. So let's just get started. So I didn't take a clip of me washing my hair because I don't know, like, you wash your hair like everybody washes their hair, so I didn't do that. So I'm just going to tell you guys the shampoo and conditioner that I used. So the shampoo and conditioner that I bought is the cleansing conditioner and the cream conditioner. So the cleansing conditioner is a 2-in-1 gentle cleanse and conditioner. It detangles, prevents breakage, shines, protects, repairs, and nourishes, and it's supposed to be super hydrating. So it's basically like a shampoo conditioner. It's not a 2-in-1, but it's a shampoo with conditioner benefits, if that makes sense. So I don't use these every time I do my hair because they are a little bit on the more pricey side, and I like my cheaper shampoos and conditioners, but I do really like these, and every once in a while I'll use them with my other products. But for this video, I only used these products. So for the conditioner, this is the cream conditioner, and this detangles, hydrates, prevents breakage, shines, protects, repairs, and nourishes. And I use this one as a conditioner, so I just put it in my hair, put my hair up, and I washed my body, shaved my legs, and did all that good stuff. While I had that in, I rinsed it out. And then for styling products, if you have really thin hair, you probably won't need to use a combination of all of the products that I used. I have super thick curly hair. If I don't add enough product, my hair will just not look good. So I add a lot of product in my hair. If you guys have thinner hair, like I said, you might want to use less product or not all of the products and try a different one. So hopefully with this video you guys can kind of see what products would work for you based on what the what the point of the product is, if that makes sense. So the first product is the Bounce Curl Moisture Balance Leave-In Conditioner. It's a treatment, primer, and styler, and it says for all hair types, so you don't necessarily need to have super thick curly hair. You can have thinner curly hair, wavy hair, whatever. Bounce Curl also, on their website, you can see that they have an option where you can do like a hair quiz and see what type of hair you have, answer questions based on your hair type, based on like your styling routine and all that stuff, and you can see what products would work best for you. So the way I use this as a detangler, so I use this first. I apply it in my hair, a generous amount, and I just run it through my curls and just make sure that I saturate all of my hair with this product. And it smells so good. I don't even know how to explain how it smells. Oh, I didn't say how the conditioner and shampoo smell. Not the biggest fan. it's just not, it doesn't smell bad, but it's just not like, not my favorite. The cleansing conditioner smells better than the cream conditioner. Cream conditioner is probably my least favorite smelling one, but this smells so good. I don't know how to explain what it smells like, but it smells really good. I put this in my hair first to detangle, and then if you have thinner hair, I would suggest using that and then using the gel. But if you have thicker hair like me, then this next product will be perfect for you. So this is the avocado and rose oil clump and define cream. Now this cream is definitely, I don't know if you could tell, it's definitely on the thicker side, and like I said, if you have thinner hair, this will probably weigh your hair down. So you can either use a little bit of it or just skip this and not use it at all. But since I have super thick hair, I like to part my hair in sections and then use my DENMAN brush to brush out the curls and then finger curl my hair in kind of just like big clumpy sections. And that's how I like to use these products specifically. I don't always do that when I do my hair, but with these products I like the way that it turns out. And since it is a clump and define cream, it works really well when you do that. So I will do that to my whole head and make sure that each section is completely saturated in the product, brush it out with the DENMAN brush, and then I will move on to the next step, which is the Bounce Curl Light Cream Gel, which is what I was telling you guys they're most known for. This was like the first product they had, and so I will just take some of this and apply it over the curls and scrunch a little bit. Oh, and this smells, sorry, I'm all over the place. This one smells good too. It doesn't really have that strong of a scent, the Clump and Define Cream, but the Bounce Curl Light Cream Gel, oh my gosh, it smells so, I don't even know how to explain what it smells like. I'm sorry, I'm terrible at describing scents, but it smells freaking good, so just mark my words. It smells really, really good. And then the last thing that I will do is diffuse my hair. So I will take my diffuser, and this is the Infinity Pro by Conair. It's super cheap. It was like 25 bucks at Target. You can also order it on Amazon. I will link it down below for you guys. I will also link this DENMAN brush down below for you guys as well if you guys are interested in purchasing that. Amazon is the shit, so I will link those down below for you guys. After I do that, I will diffuse my hair, and I will, you know, I did do the like finger coil thing. I like to diffuse when I do that just because I feel like it helps the curls dry in that order. When you air dry it, it just kind of, you don't know how your hair is going to turn out. But you can tell that there still are some parts that are still a little wet. So I always say that first day hair is not my favorite day hair because it still looks wet. There's not as much volume. Second day hair is like my favorite. Like this, you can tell this is like a big clump of curls that are just still there. So when I'm diffusing, I like to try to get my hair as dry as possible without damaging my hair because I don't want to add that much heat. So I do it on usually medium heat, low speed or high speed, just depends. Then the last thing I do is I take my Bounce Curl hairspray. This is alcohol free, medium to strong flexible hold to create texture and volume. And I personally like aerosol hairsprays better than I like these ones. Like this is like a spray bottle hairspray. And this doesn't smell bad, but it just doesn't smell that good. I like the way that the light cream gel smells. I wish that all the products smelled like that, but yeah. So I just take some of this and just apply it to my hair. I already applied it, but I just applied a little bit more just so I could smell it. And yeah, it smells whatever. It doesn't smell that bad, but it doesn't smell that good. That is everything. This is how my hair looks after I apply all of the Bounce Curl products. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Like I said, if you guys have any questions, please leave them down below. I will link their website down below for you guys so you guys can go ahead and purchase all of these products. If you guys are interested or have any more questions, just please ask me and I will answer them for you. If you guys are going to try any of these products, I suggest the light cream gel, just because it's just always been a staple for me. And if you guys watch my other curly hair video, this is a little bit on the more expensive side, and I feel like it's small, so it's only 6 ounces. There's not that much product in it, but a little bit does go a long way. But for me, I freaking use a lot of it, so I just run through it super fast. But each their own. So if you guys are interested in trying that, if you guys have thicker hair, highly recommend those 2 products the most. But if you're going to try anything, just try the light cream gel first and see how you like it. If you have thin hair, you'll probably like that by itself without anything, or even just with the leave-in conditioner. But honestly, any leave-in conditioner will work with that light cream gel. Like, I've been talking for 15 minutes straight, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see any other curly hair videos, you know, with one brand, let me know. I know that like Pantene, Garnier, all of those drugstore brands have styling products as well. So if you guys are interested, just let me know what brand you guys would like to see and I will do that next. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this video and I will see you guys in the next one.